Says starting. Am I on? I'm not sure if I'm on or not. Hi everyone, Glama here. Thank you for joining me here at Glama's Beauty and Fitness Journal. Today I am going to be doing a Beauty Box 5 unboxing. But what's weird is this is January's box, and I already made the video for December's box, but I haven't uploaded it yet, so I'm sorry, it's going to be out of order. You're going to see January's, then December's. I apologize. The reason I haven't uploaded the December box is because I'm in an RV and it takes a really long time to upload videos using the internet here. So that's why this time I'm trying the live event feed. Just to see if it's quicker this way. So I know it's blurrier, but at least I make the video and then as soon as I hit stop broadcasting, it's automatically up and loaded and ready for y'all to watch and view. And I didn't announce this as a live event, so I'm not expecting any viewers in here or anything like that. I don't announce it, but let me go just so I can, because if someone does pop in and happen to see me and to say hi back to y'all. This is my first time doing a live event, and I was going to hit private so that I could just make the video and have it uploaded, but I thought, well, let me just see if somebody ends up hanging out in here with me. Let me see if I can figure out how to do it so that I can see people's comments. It says it's loading, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to have any comments. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to see anyone in here, like I said, because it wasn't announced. So let me wait till I can see myself so that I can get ready to open this. Love Beauty Box 5, beautybox5.com if y'all are interested. Let me see. Am I on? Am I on? I think I'm on, but it's not showing over here. So let me go ahead and just start the unboxing. Haven't even opened it, just got here in the mail today. Today is the 12th. Oh, there I am. I can see myself in the other window now. Okay. It's a little delayed, but I do see myself. But if anyone happens to pop in and sees me, it says to say something right there. There's a little comment box that you can fill out. Oh, once again, phooey, I don't have my glasses on. Why do I always do this to myself? So this is January 2015's box. Let me see if I can hold it up to the camera. And it says, the beginning of the year can mean new challenges, but rather than shying away from confrontation, I do know how to read, I promise. I say this all the time. Greet them wholeheartedly with a smile and a twinkle in a line. Woohoo! You perfectly and a twinkle in, and then it says in parentheses, and lining your perfectly accented eyes. Wow, that was hard to read. You never know what new opportunities what opportunities are on the horizon. So put your well-manicured self forward and say hi to fresh possibilities. That's funny. I was having a hard time reading that, wasn't I? Okay, so that's that. And this will show the products that I should be getting. I'll see if I got the exact same stuff, or because I know that everyone gets the same box, but everyone gets a different color. So let me turn on another light. It's kind of dark, isn't it? See if that makes it any brighter. That's a little better, huh? Okay. All right, so the first thing that should come in here is a hard candy. Ooh, I love hard candy. I should be getting a hard candy eyeshadow. Yay! My daughter already showed me her Beauty Box 5, and she got an eyeshadow, but it was from a different company. This one is by Hard Candy. Yay! And it's glittery. It's sparkly. Oh, it's two different shades. It has blue and silver. See? Here's the blue and here's the silver. And what is it called? It's called Love Bug. How cute is that? It's as cute as a bug. Let me open it up real fast. Make sure to see if it doesn't take too long to open it. So I'll be doing a makeup tutorial soon using my gel liners that I just recently got. I want to open this. Why won't it open? Oh, because it's not all the way unsealed. So yeah, I know this is kind of dark and it's going to be kind of blurry because it's a live feed thing. Ooh, pretty. Let me see if I can. Yeah, that's pretty and glittery. You can't see it that good probably because of the camera, but it's pretty. Let me try the. There's the gray. And here's the blue. So the blue shows up, and there's the gray on this finger. The blue shows up really fast. Pretty. I love my love bug. Okay, maybe if I turn the camera this way, it'll be brighter. Is that better? A little bit, huh? All right, what's in the box next? Okay. All righty. So next, well, it says Sally Hansen Salon Effect. It's nail polish strips. Oh, pretty. Look at that. Little strips to go on the edge there. Let me see what it is exactly. These retail for $9.99. So, and this looks like it's a full size. Oh, it comes with a little, I can't see. Comes with a little sharpener. And what is this little thingy? Oh, like a little orange stick. It comes with a little orange stick. That's the technical name for these guys, in case you were wondering. These little wooden bamboo sticks, or I'm not sure if they're made out of bamboo, but I used to be a nail tech. And so, yeah, these are called orange sticks. And let me see. Ooh, what do you do with this? I don't know. This is weird. Because it comes with this. Oh, it's too dark. Yeah, this. And then these are the glittery things. So I'm not sure how to use it. Maybe when I figure out how to use it, I'll actually do it on camera. And we can see it together. So yeah, cool. It comes with 2 packages of these white thingies. I have to read it. I'll have to read it later and tell you exactly what it is. And then 1 package of the glittery things. Okay, so that's that. Boy, so far I scored. I love these 2 things. Sometimes in the beauty boxes you get things that you don't use that often, that you don't think you might use that often, but those I love so far. Okay, the next thing should be Ultra Flesh. It says the gold standard mascara in blackout. Wow, it retails for $21. I got mascara. Where? I don't see mascara. Oh, maybe it's in here. Yeah, Ultra Flesh. The gold standard. Okay, so it's a little one. It's a trial size, I guess. So if you like it, and it normally retails, what did I say? For $21. This is for $21. And is it gonna be, oh look, it's got a nice packaging. It's gold. Ooh, I like the packaging. And it's black. So yeah, I can't wait I should have put this on right now because I don't have any mascara on here. Let me see if we can see how it looks right now. I don't even have a mirror. I can't see a difference right now, but let me keep trying. I'm not seeing any difference, but maybe it's because I'm not really looking in a real mirror. This is just a camera, laptop monitor. I do see a difference. It's just that you can't see it through my gel liner. I can see when you look at my eyelashes from the side, versus these. You see how thin these look right there? That's no mascara, because I forgot to put mascara on today, and then this is with the mascara. I wanted to show more. Oh, there, now I'm starting to see it. I bet you I would see it a lot better if this wasn't such a grainy picture. Well, I wasn't expecting to do this, put mascara on live. But trust me, it is showing. It's just that this is very, very a blurry picture because it's a live feed. Well, there's one eye. I can probably see it when I look down, the difference. Okay, so I'm going to play with this more when I get in front of a real mirror. Alrighty, so what's next? The next thing is a soft soap. It says Nutra Serums Vitamin E Beauty Wash. It retails for $8. Oh, it's Suave. Oh, yeah, no, it's by Soft Soap. Ooh, it's pretty. I wonder what is in it, what scents are in it. You see the little floaty thingies in there? You see if I can read what scent. Of course I can't read it because I don't have any glasses on. It smells really, really sweet and pretty. Darn it, where are my glasses? I'm going to try to see what scent it is. No luck. Can't see. Ooh, I just got some on me. Oops, it gooped out. Oh, it's got the flecks in that too. Smells good. Better wipe it. Wipe it off or it'll be sticky. Okay, so there's that. The next thing I got is another hard candy product. Hard Candy Take Me Out Liner in Sushi. Ooh, the color is sushi. So I wonder if it's a lip liner or if it's a pencil. Ooh, look at that. It's all pointy and stuff. So I can't read to know if it's a lip or a pencil. A creamy liner with powerful pigment is a girl's best friend. And this fun little chopstick inspired pencil that has our hearts, accents your eyes. Okay, it's for the eyes with this sassy shade of something. Smudge it with the sassy shade, or smudge it out for a perfectly purple smoky eye. Okay, so it's for your eyes, and you can either smudge it out to make it look like a nice purple smoky eye, but that doesn't really look purple. That looks kind of fuchsia-ish to me. Looks like my nail color, kind of fuchsia. Oh, there, that helps when what helped? Is the fact that I did that, is that what helped it show better? Yeah, this is a cool pencil because then afterwards I can use it for my hair. Look, I can put my hair up when I'm crocheting and stuff. Let me see. Yay, this is like a 2-in-1 little gadget that I got here. See? Perfect. Yay, perfect. See? All right, let's take it down and see what it looks like. Ooh, so there's the color. See if I can get it to show better. Why won't it show? Why? Let me see. Wow, so this is kind of like the gel liner that I just recently got from BH Cosmetics. Pretty, I like it. I'm going to keep this in my purse, I think, because the gel liner that is this color isn't something that I would want to be doing in the car, but this would be nice and easy to do in the car. You could use it in the inner corners as an accent color. Yay, I'm excited to show my daughter because we got different stuff this time. Usually we get the same thing, but just in different colors. This time it's like almost completely different stuff. Wow. Maybe she might want something of mine and maybe I'll want something of hers. We can trade, or maybe we'll just keep keep the stuff that we got. You know what? I want to read more on this salon effects thing. Let me see. How long have I been on here? You guys are probably getting bored. Let me see if I can see. Perfect mani for up to 10 days, it says. Bring it on. Peel and apply strips to your nails, smooth over, and then shape for easy nail art. Ooh. Bonus when you're done. That's awesome. It says bonus. When you're done, they come off with regular polish remover. Assorted colors and prints. So the one they gave me is the gold fingertips one. That's awesome. And it glitters. All right, guys, so that is this unboxing. If you guys are interested in getting these boxes, they're so fun because, I mean, seriously, sometimes I forget that I ordered these. And so it's a really awesome surprise when I get a box in the mail. It's like, oh, yeah, that's right. I get a present for myself. So yeah, this is what came in my box. As I'm knocking everything over, I'm trying to show it all nice and pretty, but of course, I'm a klutz, and it's hard to show everything. But there's the stuff that I got. It's usually 5 items. That's why it's Beauty Box 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yay! Alrighty, guys. So that's it for this unboxing, and I will be making another video soon. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial soon because I've been having a few friends of mine that are in my crochet channel say, hey, when are you going to do another makeup tutorial? So I'm going to do the look that I have on today. I know you can't see it very good, but I've got a purple gel with a pink gel that's kind of like, it's kind of a gradient ombre effect. The pink kind of going into the purple. And I have purple under my eyes and black gel on the waterline and black gel on the tight line up top as well. But so I did all this because I was going to be doing a live event in my Wake Up with Glama channel. And I was already running late. I actually got into my live event 6 minutes late. And then as I was talking to everyone, I remembered I didn't put mascara on. I did everything, liner, everything, lips. And then I looked really close and I realized I didn't have any mascara on. So isn't that funny that I actually happened to get a mascara today? It's not that I don't have any. I just completely forgot to put mascara on because I was in such a rush to hurry up and get on live. So, okay, I think this is it. Let me go see if anyone actually found me. I don't think so. Nope, there's no oh no, someone did say hi. Jagadish V said hi. Hi. So someone actually did find me in here. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm sure you've been watching this whole time, but in case you haven't, in case you just tuned in, I was saying that I'm doing this way instead of recording it from my camcorder and then uploading it because it takes like all day long to upload a 10-minute video, where if I do it as a live Google Plus Hangouts event, as soon as I hit stop broadcasting, it takes like 5 or 10 minutes to process, and then it's ready for viewing for all my subscribers. So yeah. So I don't know if you got to see all of the stuff that I just showed. I don't know how long you've been on. It doesn't say. But this is the stuff I got from my Beauty Box 5. Yay! If any of y'all are interested in Beauty Box 5, just go to beautybox5.com and you get a box with 5 products a month. And sometimes it's a full size and sometimes it's a sample size. Like this obviously is a full size because pencils don't come any bigger than that. And this is definitely a full size. And this looks to me like it's a full size. It comes with the strips and the glitter and everything. So the only thing that were sample sizes was the mascara and the soft soap body wash. And I can't figure out what scent it is. It's some kind of floral scent, but it's so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye now. And thank you for visiting and saying hi. I'm sorry I can't pronounce the name. It looks like Jagadish V. I don't know. But thank you for coming in, popping in and saying hi. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye. Mwah.